Okay, so now I've got the plywood, same shape as me and Larry's firewall. Installed this with my jig for making the windshield, so it's a bit more fun to visualize. And then the shape as per plan. Now I'm gonna make the two sides as per the full-size plan. All right, now Paul is dividing each one in half, so we can have equal shape both sides. So what we did here is the center of, and now dimensions are the same on both sides. Okay, now Paul is fitting one side and trying to mimic this more abrupt curve here, to slowly interface it into a bubble in front, a ball in front. And then we'll do the same thing from the center line. We'll draw it on the table. Yeah, here we've made some lots of holes so we can clamp it. Getting close, my friend. Sounds. Same thing here. So the good curve we put is right here with the center line. Now Paul is flipping it over and making this the other side the same. All right, so Paul, with reason, wanted me to fix this, make it more accurate and more solid, so we can, so we could literally push more on our bucking. So now we used our wires, transfer it on paper. I'll transfer this to ply and make this thing more solid. All right, so this is the Mark II. With the hard surface, so at least now we can push on it. Tu notes dedans? D'habitude, là, comment on fixe ça, cette affaire-là? C'est-tu vissé ici dans le... Oui, c'est comme ça? Looks good to me. You rock, Paul.